Here is the question from Irodov, question number 1.237 from hydrodynamics or fluid mechanics. In this question, it is given that a wide wall of a wide vertical cylindrical vessel of height h has a narrow vertical slit running all the way down the bottom of the vessel. The length of the slit is L and the width is B. With the slit closed, the vessel is filled with water. Find the resultant force of reaction of the wall flowing out the vessel. So let this is our diagram. This is the cylinder and this is the slit. Slit length is equal to L and its width is equal to B. Now let's take a small segment of at the depth x from the uppermost point of the cylinder and its thickness is equal to dx. Now velocity of a flask, now as we know velocity of a flask at x distance below the top below the top will be equal to v1 is equal to under root 2gx. Then force developed due to this small segment will be df. Then force df will be equal to rho a v square. Now a is given as a equal to length into breadth, so its length is equal to a will be equal to b into dx, because dx is thickness and b is the other dimension here. So from this equation we can write df will be equal to rho b dx into v square, or we can write that equation as rho b. Now instead of v square we have to put this value 2gx into dx. So our ultimate value of a small force appeared due to this small segment of slit is equal to 2 rho b equal to 2 rho g b into x dx. Now the entire force due to the total slit will be integration of df. That now f will become f equal to integration of df, which will be equal to 2 rho g v, because these terms are constants, and after then integration x dx. Now integration as we are considering the slit. Now if this is total length of the cylinder, total height is h and the slit length is L, then this dimension up to this length will be h minus L. So this h minus L will be our lower limit of integration h minus L, and when it comes to the bottom point, then its length will become h. So our limit of integration will be h minus L to h. Now we have to carry out this integration. If we carry out this integration, then total force will be equal to 2 rho gb into x square divided by 2. Now this x square and 2 and 2 get cancelled, and our limit is from h minus L to h. So if you calculate this, then it will be rho gb into x square, and limit of x square is from h minus L to h. So our net force developed by this slit will be equal to rho gb into it is multiplied by h minus L square minus h square. So after calculation, this becomes rho gb into h square plus l square minus 2 it will be h square minus h minus l square. So h square plus, so our net force developed will be F equal to rho g b into h square minus l square plus 2hl. Now this h square and h square get cancelled, so after cancellation we can write the net force developed F will be equal to rho gb into 2hl minus l square. Now if we take common l, then our expression will become rho g bl into 2h minus l. So this is our net force developed by the resultant force of reaction of the water flowing out the vessel. So our resultant force of reaction of the water flowing out of the vessel will be equal to F equal to rho g b l into 2h minus l. So this is our necessary or required solution of the given question.